In this video, I'll show you how to turn on or off the SafeSearch filter in Windows 11 to control your web content preferences. Press the Win+I key simultaneously on your keyboard, and the Settings app opens up. In the Settings window, on the left side of the pane, click on Privacy and Security. Now, navigate to the right side of the pane, scroll down, and under the Windows Permissions section, select Search Permissions. In the next window, under the SafeSearch section, select Strict, Moderate, or the Off option based on what you want. Strict will filter out adult text, images, and videos from my web results. Moderate will filter adult images and videos, but not text from my web results. Off will stop filtering adult content from my web results. Once done, exit the Settings window. The web results should not show adult text, images, and videos, or only adult images and videos, but text based on whether you select Strict or Moderate. However, if you do not want the filter to work, simply select Off, and that should be it. Go to bing.com. Click on three horizontal lines icon. At top right, click on SafeSearch from the popped-up menu. Select Off to turn off SafeSearch or Strict to turn it on. Thanks for watching. If it helps, make sure to hit like and subscribe.